Instead,
No, you're not going to do that part yet. That's a separate shot.
Can we actually get the garage door closed?
It'll be more than one shot. So Caden, this is just the shot of Caden. You can sit or stand. It doesn't matter. So Caden's going to just be walking in for this one, okay? That's it.
So really, you're just focusing on him.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah. I was just trying to get you guys set up so we can do the rest, okay?
Oh, he knows what he's doing?
Yep.
Ready, Caden? Yep. Alright, we're going to shut you out now. Probably let you back in.
Bye, Caden.
Alright, so what we could do is just like stay like this until he starts like complaining or something. Let's make him wait forever.
The problem is we don't have time.
2 hours.
Tell me when to go.
Alright. Caden, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, action. Dad?
I got it.
Okay. So did you maybe?
I said hi.
It's Alex's fault.
They stopped an ice cream truck.
Alex ran out the door when the ice cream truck came by, and so it stopped. And so they felt bad.
Fire.
What'd you do?
You bought a snow coat. We tried to order the most expensive thing.
What'd they say?
Wait, what happened?
What'd they say on the spot?
He just said, "What do you want?" What'd you tell him? So Ethan was gonna bring out his wallet, and so I told you, I was like, did you guys get the most expensive thing? Oh, we are. He did. He did.
Oh, Ethan got it. Don't trust it. It's probably poison. This is a community snow cone. Does it taste like Fruity Pebbles?
I'm next.
Man, I have one spaghetti.
It's not a snow cone, it's frozen. Don't get me. My hands are sick.
It's a frown.
Oh! I can see like the, I don't even know what it's called. Like the steam. It's like. Does it even taste? Does it just taste like ice?
It tastes good. It's hard as a rock.
It's actually not bad. No, it's good.
Look, I can see
Not $3 good.
Not $3 good, but it's like 6 at Flags prices.
Yeah, you're right.
6 at Flags. 6
at
Flags.
It was funny. So that was $3, and Ethan came out with $3.
Yeah.
I was going to order something that was $4.
I was like,
not to.
ask for the most expensive thing.
It was a $4 thing, but I didn't want to break his back.
Is this going on the blooper reel?
You would have got me in debt.
Is it?
Possibly.
You're already in debt like $200.
It'll probably be its own feature, Steven.
I like to eat most of it.
Too bad.
You said community.
I got the biggest 4-case ever yesterday.
What is it?
Twilight Imperium.
How big is it?
Oh, it's only ice.
Okay, let me tell you this. The game is originally $150. That should tell you how big it is.
What?
The game is $150. The game, board game Twilight Imperium.
It's a board game?
Yes.
Heck no.
I got it.
It's Twilight.
I got it on Amazon.
Oh, like Twilight Vampire.
Ethan, you know the one we have to play?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's that times 12 or something.
4 to 8 hours. I'm not.
Are you serious?
I'm not even.
So like
kidding.
the game me and Jonas were playing, the Star Wars game.
No,
That's
10 times bigger.
Oh, it's bigger than that?
No, it is bigger than that.
Risk is like.
Risk takes days. Risk
You gotta do it on separate days.
Yeah, I played with my grandpa and my grandma one time at their house. It took like 4 days.
No, my brother and I did it, but it took like a week for my brother, my dad, and I to do it. When we were putting out our pieces, they basically let me take all of Africa.
So then I won because I basically had Africa.
Yeah, we called him Hitler.
No, they called me Hayden.
Hitler Hayden. Yeah.
If you can take over Australia, it actually is really good because like
That's what my dad did.
You took over like Australia and Borneo.
I just took over the U.S. because I like U.S.
No,
Yo, Ethan, you say you guys are all talking about conquering countries. There's a silhouette from the window, so it's like an evil genius table with Ethan as the leader.
Those are the world leaders.
That's what I mean. It looks like that.
If you're going,
Darn it, Fabian left.
if you play,
We lost Mexico.
if you play Risk and you want to keep your army strong, what you do is you go to either
Do you have two of the same shirt on?
what?
Do you have two of the
No.
same?
If you want to win, it looks exactly the same.
It practically is.
Hey,
Oh.
if you want to win a world war, team up with Russia. Like,
No, if you want to win Risk, what you do is you take over an island and then you blockade every single exit. So if the people want to get into there,
That's what I
they
do
have to
every
do a
time.
giant fight and lose a
I
bunch
played
of
it
troops.
once when I was like 10.
Alright, I have no idea what's going on. We should get all of us together, and we should. I have the original Risk.
We have the
That
new
doesn't
one.
even have like the miniatures. It has like triangles and circles.
That's what my grandpa's got. I need to play the new one because it's got like weird robots and stuff.
Robots?
It's like a 2050 thing.
Oh, I've heard of that. There's a game called
Like
Risk
Black Ops
Legacy. Literally, you could you make the rules of the game. The basics of Risk states
I
you
win.
can make. No, you literally can
Hello.
change the rules.
So I could just say I win.
No, not anything like that. But you can make a rule. If you make a rule in game 10, that rule can either make you win or lose the game in like game 20.
Huh. So you can just keep adding
You can basically, yeah, but you can't add rules that contradict itself, but you can add rules that.
That's not me. I wear
Not,
Then I make a rule that you can't obey this rule.
no, you wouldn't be able to do that.
Let's get filming.
Alright.
We don't have much time.
No, we don't.
We are.
Alright, we still got half a trial to film. Let's still do it.
Can I be an FBI agent?
You
We're
know,
considering it.
brand new.
We'll see if it happens.
It was like all
Who am I like turn against? Like,
Christian.
I don't know. We're not to that part yet. Don't worry about it.
That came out in 2005.
Well, this one's actually really good.
75. I got on eBay, brand new.
What'd you do?
straight up almost dropped my snow car.
I was like,
I didn't realize that it was that
compare the
stupid.
Amazon
Does it go like
price,
this?
compare this
Yeah.
price, and also see how on eBay there is nothing else cheaper than this, and nothing else as good as cheaper
That
than
just
this.
looks oddly sad.
Yes.
But that's
There's just a random hand that pops out from the door.
Ready?
the way to go.
Yeah.
I mean, then there are some like Lego sets that are like exclusives, and so you're like, ugh.
I need that.
Don't pick things.
No, you.
This robot is only just not loud. No, okay, go talk to Aiden. Go tell Aiden.
No, you.
No, you. Finish it. No, you what? No, he's what? Okay, keep going.
Mom says we have to play a 3-player game.
Say no, you cute.
No, you do.
No, you. No. What is it? What are you supposed to say? I don't know. I don't know.
I'm telling.
Oh, sorry.
Go get her, me!
Challenge accepted.
Madness.
I'm back.
Alright, so Christian, Zach, and Steven have to leave a little bit early. So at some point in the movie there's going to be a shot where they're escorted out. It's not in my script, but it still works because it's all improvised anyway. So, yeah, the plan was for Steven to be an FBI agent undercover, but oh well. Yes, you were. Alright, well thanks guys for everything you did. It was good. Both days, not just this movie, the Grandpa movie too. So, yeah. And I feel like you still should be doing so much more because this is 2 years in a row where you've been very underused.
That's true.
So,
I don't care.
okay.
I mean-
You look cool. Both years. Next year I should have you in the trench coat with the sunglasses.
What are
And a
you
tie.
guys doing next?
We need
No idea.
we should do like a Mission Impossible, like
Yeah, we're all
parody.
spies.
Yeah.
No, we should do a Mission Impossible horror movie.
We have to do our own
We should do a horror movie. That'd be fun.
Yeah, actually, I was
It's gonna be the
thinking
most ironic and not. scary
it should be a
horror movie ever.
humorous
Yeah.
horror movie.
It would be like that
Alright.
horror movie that's not.
We
good.
just make our own decisions.
Guys, don't go down in the basement. Why not? No one
Guys,
has
I
died
say
in a horror
change
movie before.
Guys, there's blood dripping down there. Let's go check it out.
Oh yeah.
Alright, this is that.
Dirty stabbers down there. No.